Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide that you read a message on Twitter with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To hide your read status on Twitter, you can follow these methods. 1. Disable read receipts. Open the Twitter app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture located at the top left corner. Select Settings and Support. Click on Privacy and Safety. Then, tap on Direct Messages. Turn off Send Read Receipts to prevent others from seeing when you read their messages. 2. Read from Notification Panel. View messages directly from the notification panel to read them without opening the Twitter app, avoiding the read status notification. 3. Turn off Internet. Disable mobile data and Wi-Fi or toggle on airplane mode to disconnect from the Internet. This allows you to read messages without triggering the read status. By following these steps and utilizing the different methods provided, you can effectively hide that you read a message on Twitter while maintaining your privacy and control over your message interactions within the app. With these updated features, managing your read status on Twitter has been made more user-friendly and customizable. Thank you for watching, and enjoy discreetly managing your read receipts and message interactions on Twitter.